In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Bluetooth speaker to Samsung Smart TV 7 series. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a set of speakers, soundbar, or even headphones that support Bluetooth, you can easily connect it to any Samsung TV model. In this video, I'm gonna give you instructions on how to set it up and connect it to your Samsung Smart TV 7 series. The process is generally the same, and it will work regardless of the generation and series. So to begin, press the home or the menu button on your controller. Usually, you will access the settings and you just have to go over to the sound category. So access the sound by pressing the button on your remote, and then under sound output, you will be able to connect new devices. So find sound output and choose it from the list. Now, one of the options should be Bluetooth speaker list. Choose the option from here and you will be good to go. Alternatively, you might also see the option to add a new device like this. You just choose that instead. Basically, you have to find the option to connect Bluetooth devices or choose the option to add a new one underneath audio device list. When this is done, you will have to pair up your speaker. So now press a Bluetooth button available on the set of speakers themselves, or if you have a remote, like one to a soundbar, you should also have a button available in there as well that enables Bluetooth. You simply have to press this respective button either on the device itself or on a remote, and this will allow it to enter pairing mode. With the speakers in pairing mode, you can go back on your Samsung TV's screen and you will be able to choose it from the list. So select the set of speakers, the soundbar, or the headphones from the list, and it will remain connected with your Samsung TV. All of the audio being output will now go over to the Bluetooth speakers that you have just connected. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bluetooth speaker to Samsung Smart TV 7 series. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.